kahle nikiwe mina ngithwele maybe senginabuma 8 years heavy sex like straight mina.
So akusuwe or heavy sex, it's lento leyo uthi it comes
ukuthi ikwazi kuba namandla.
So ngilongidla le mali kanti le mali ibuye izodla mina futhi idla abantwana bami. Ngilala nenyoka Tumelo but bengazi ukuthi ngazi ifike la ekuthwaleni. This is deep.
Hey yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Mphethe uTumelo bringing Unikiwe. Let's get into it.
Sanibonani guys, igama lami uTumelo. Ngizelana to save our relationship because of ngifuna ukuexplainela umfazi wami ngisithwalo lesinye ngasithatha lesi esimosha i-relationship yethu. Yabo, ngizelana because of ngifuna ukuthi i-relationship yethu ilunye. Naye understand ukuthi lesithwalo lesi ngisithathile ngimexplainele ukuthi why ngisithathile.
Hey yo, with your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. As I said, Tumelo no Nikiwe on today's episode. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, Tumelo?
Alright.
Okay, sure. And then when Nikiwe, right? Appeal. Okay, this is Save My Relationship. Angazi if you guys discussed ukuthi nizala kule show yethu.
No, we didn't discuss, but I know the show.
Oh, you know the show. Okay, do you know why you came to our show?
Yes, slow sibhekana nenkinga ku-relationship, so sidinga usizo.
Oh, okay. Inkinga ezinjani enisifisayo?
Angikwazi ukutholela umyeni wami abantwana, so
oh, that's the problem you guys are facing.
Yeah, sesina 5 years sit together kodwa angikwazi ukumtholela abantwana.
No, okay. So, okay, you guys, you spoke about it. Ukuthi nize la ku show and discuss inkinga yenu yokuthola abantwana, or it's just you are guessing?
I'm guessing because I know the show, but ukuthi kanjani angazi because him onenkinga yokumtholela abantwana angikwazi ukumtholela abantwana, so I guess we're just trying to save our relationship.
No, your relationship is fading out.
Yeah, ngenxa yabantwana nje.
So you think uzokushiya noma uyakushiya?
Angikwazi ukumtholela abanye abantwana, angikwazi ukuthola abantwana, so I think wonke umuntu wesilisa uyafuna ukuba nomntwana.
No, okay. I think it's almost aligned to those to that situation. So umuntu wakho uzokutshela ukuthi ukulethele la show and then we'll take it from there. Do me you ungamchazela ukuthi umletheleni ku show?
Ngamchazela kodwa ngimlethe kule show.
Yeah, ungamchazela. You can speak to her. Like lento kade sikhuluma.
Nikiwe ngilethe kule show msithandwa sami because of bengifuna ukuexplainela ukuthi why singathula abantwana. Kahle Nikiwe mina ngithwele. Isithwalo sami yiso singenza ukuthi like singathula abantwana because of ngifuna imali yokuimpress. Yabo, like nami ngifuna imali side namani itswami. Yabo, and ngithwele before mina nawe sihlanga. So cela like understand ukuthi why singathula abantwana. Ngithwele mina Nikiwe and anyeke ngizenze next. Ngoba mawulala nami awulali nami. Kunenyoka elala nawe. Wena ubona ngathi ulala nami.
Hayi Tumelo. Mazongihlolela so mina all along ngilala nenyoka angilali nomuntu wami.
Into engitshela yona like that's why ngikulethelana ngizokuexplainela better ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba nami Nikiwe ngiyakuthanda and angifuni ukuthi sihlukane. Ngilethe kule show because of ngifuna ukuthi protect relationship yethu sibuyise. Understand ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngi-understand kanjani Tumelo, wazi kahle ukuthi ngilo ngifuna abantwana and uyangiyeka ngifeel bad ngokuthi angikwazi ukuzalela abantwana awungitsheli.
Mara all along Nikiwe le mali lebesidla sonke ile mali le yesithwalo. Le mali ngakuthatha ngayo ngakuyise eDubai ile mali yesithwalo and uyazi na ukuthi angisebenzi imali ngithathaphi.
So imali seyangena vele?
Imali yangena.
Manje yini kwenza ukuthi okay uzoconfessa le mfihlo engaka?
Because of nami ngiyabona ukuthi Nikiwe like ukhathazekile ufuna abantwana and no nami angazi ukuthi ngayenzani ukuthi ngamchazisela So I better come here ukuthi ngizom-explainela better ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi singatholi abantwana.
So manje awusasifuna isithwalo sakho?
Isithwalo sami into engiphila ngayo, into engiphilisayo.
So mina ngeke ngibe nabantwana for impilo yami yonke.
So adopt abantwana.
Angimfuni adoptiwe, ngifuna igazi lami Tumelo. Ngifuna igazi lami nami ngibone ingane ifana nami. So ngizoyenza kanjani?
Isithwalo ngisithathile na ukuthi ngingabuyela emuva ngesireverse.
So manje ukuze umtshele no, don't you think angeke isasebenze lento leyo ngoba idinga ukuthi ibe yi-secret. Mawune sithwalo akumelanga lo muntu ozwana naye noma lo muntu emdlala lento le.
Ukuthi
ayazi
mina ngikhathele.
Ukhathela awusayifuni into
impilo leyo ukuthi like ngimfihlele umfazi wami ngikhathele inkampani ngaphuma clean. I understand naye ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthola abantwana.
Manje lesithwalo masingasasebenzi ke ngoba so yas expose isithwalo sakhona.
Isithwalo lesi mangathi ngiyasiyeka anyeke abe right empilweni.
Naye
Uzoba umuntu
iyama-affect.
kuphela, izom-affect.
Ngizoba umuntu kuphela. Shukuthi angisaphili mina, angisenathi isidingo sokuphila ngenxa yakho Tumelo. So sonke lesikhathi after 5 years ngiloku ngiyamitha abantwana bayaphuma, uthulile uyangibheka ngiseyinhlungwini wena uyathula. Ukuthando lolo Tumelo.
Akusuthando but nami darling ngiyakuthanda and ayikho into engingayenza ukutshela and futhi
Ungithanda kanjani? Ungibona ngimitha ingane ziphuma Tumelo?
into engisaba ukutshela leyo ngisaba ukutshela yona ukuthi mina nawe
But uzungilethe la phambi kwabantu. Bazongibheka kanjani abantu
mara
Tumelo?
ayikho enye indlela kodwa ngakutshela yona. Ngiyakuthanda nikiwe.
Yini ekwenza ukuthi uthathe lento le imali nje kuphela noma umuntu okuphushele
Imali ngomuntu futhi onamabhizinisi. So ibusiness yami ifuna isithwalo ukuthi ihambe kahle.
Akudala sizizwa, akudala sizibona. Le ayidlulele.
so wena Tumelo awufuni
Umntana mina sengi-admithile ukuthi umntana angimfuni but mina esayidini lami ngicabanga ukuthi for ukuthi yena abe happy. How about adopt abantwana laba banida abazali?
wena ngisho esayidini lakho awufuni umntana ongowakho?
Ongwami angeke ngisamthola because lesithwalo lesi sesingene.
Bathi angeke umthole at all, angeke usaphinde umthole.
Ngisamthola umntana.
So uya accept lento yakhona ukuthi umntana wona angeke usabe naye?
Ngiya-admit kodwa angeke ngisamthola.
Uya accept kini babiza mina inyumba, babizi wena, babiza mina ngenyumba ukuthi mina ngidla abantwana. Kanti uwodla abantwana sonke lesikhathi.
Darling bheka.
Ungathi darling.
Darling.
Mina all along lo ngiyathuka abo-aunt bakhe abangashadanga. Bazothuka mina. Bathi mina ngidla abantwana bami kanti wena uthulile ujabulile.
Hayi ukuthi nami ngiyazenza nikiwe. Ngiyakuthanda nikiwe. Like angifuni ukuthi i-relationship yethu imosheke. La ngifuna ukuza nge-solution ukuthi silungise umjolo wethu, i-relationship yethu ngoba manje sekuyiminyaka sithandana and mina akukho simple ukuthi ngikuyeke.
Yeka lento yakho ke then maybe ngingakumithela.
Angeke ngikhone ukungitholela abantwana ngenile.
Yo.
Bathe ayisa-reverseki into yakhona?
Ayisariveseki.
Noma uhamba nonikiwe khona?
Mayihamba nonikiwe kufana nokuthi ihamba nami sihamba si-3.
Nithwele noyi-3 kahle. Unikiwe angazi, uthwele angazi?
Akatholanga unikiwe. Ngithwele mina lento le ihamba nami. Iyangivikela futhi ku-business yami ukuthi abanye abo-businessmen ama-competitor wami angaloni
clash.
So unikiwe mina ngimlethelana because of ngifuna ukuthi i-relationship yethu ibe right yabo ibe the way
kube i-relationship
yamampela because ngiyamthanda and angikwazi ukustop ama-feelings wami for yena.
Awubona ukuthi mhlambe nizama ukuthola isolution ukuthi khona ukureverse lento le yesithwalo?
Ayikho isolution.
Into abakutshele yona lo muntu okuthwalise ngalento le?
Umuntu ongithwalisile.
Uyokutshela lento le ukuthi ayikho isolution?
Ayikho isolution.
3 times Tumelo ngiyamitha ngiyakumithela ungibhekile uyasho ukuthi ha silima lesi. Awungithandi mosweni.
Ngiyakuthanda baby.
So first time ummithela bese waluza umntwana wena bocabangani? Akazwacabanga ukuthi mhlambe
bengitshela ukuthi maybe ngiyaphuza kumele ngehlise kuphuzeni kwami. Maybe ngiyamisbehave or something of some sort. But bengazi ukuthi ngazifike la ekuthwaleni. This is deep.
So after you hear all of this into esho Tumelo, what do you think a relationship is about? Ngoba athi tholo sakhe wasithola before niqala ukujola. So it's way back.
Oh, angisazi because ngiyamthanda uTumelo but ukuthi angangifihlela into engaka sigaxa. Yo, if bekuyimbe engeke ngixolele for sure. Bozongixolela Tumelo.
Should bangekaxolela.
Surely.
Why uthi if bekuwe bangekaxolela?
Ngoba phela ngumuntu wesifazane yonke into yenza umuntu wesifazane wrong. Yimi umthakathi kini.
Bathi umthakathi kuba.
Bangibiza ngomthakathi bathi ngidla abantwana. Angikwazi ukumzayela abantwana.
Bese noTumelo thina akaze akumele noma
Akangimeli nokungimela. Like angiunderstand ukuthi umuntu wesilisa onjani. Ongiyeka ngihamba inhlungu ezibhlungu kanje kubo yo dala bangithuka. Hey uyinyumbu udla abantwana. Yeah.
So Tumelo yayizwe indaba yakasisi. Ukuthi wena bangekuxolela if it was her doing the same thing that when you doing.
Mina ngabe angiphi imali yabo. Ngoba uthando namhlanje ndifuna ukuthi uphuze isamento uqinise inhliziyo yabo. Mina kahle unikiwe bengizomxolela if ngabe bekesibika adopt umntana yabo. Bengizomxolela because of mina eside lami ngifuna like i-distraction yomntana noma ngaba umntana omuphi odinga abazali. Bengizomxolela mina bengizokhohlwa nokukhohlwa because of ithando namhlanje lifuna imali.
Okay, so wena isithwalo lesi ukuthi wena ufuna imali ukuthi ube emathandweni nomuntu wakho.
Yeah, into enginidayo mina nginida imali ukuthi naye ngimthathe ngimkhiphe out abe happy. Into engiyifunayo like abe nesmile ebusweni bakhe.
So uthi wena mawulala naye akusiwolala naye. What takes over?
Inyoka.
Ha! Ngilala nenyoka Tumelo. Msabe mfana ngabathakathi umthakathi futhi wena uyathakatha strong.
So wena ugcineni ngokuheavy sex, the normal sex like normal people do.
Yo, angithatha isikhathi esiningi yo. Maybe senginabuma 8 years nga heavy sex like straight mina.
So akusuwe or heavy sex, it's lento leyo uthi it comes.
Yeah, ukuthi ikwazi kuba namandla.
So ngiloko ngimithela bani mina? Ngiloko ngimithela bani inyoka noma wena? Phendula.
Akazwayicabanga vele ukuthi okay umithela bani?
Ngingayicabanga mara mara business lami yilo ngelicabangayo kudlula yena.
Ithi lento le ifuna abantwana abayongaki kuze ibe namandla amakhulu.
Kudependa ngokuthi umithe kangakanani. Kayingaki.
Bona abakutshelanga ukuthi wamela amithe kayingaki. Ngoba ngiyezwa unikiwe ungitshela ukuthi yena uye wamitha ka3.
Omithe ka3. Yabo, that's why business lami likhula kahle because of makaqala amitha kuba ne something evelayo.
So it's her falling pregnant that gives power.
In the straight. And then mina ngizelana because of ngifuna solution like ekumtshela ngumchazisela ngoba unikiwe ingqondo yami uye umuntu olayitha ingqondo yami straight yabo manje angazi ukuthi mangangishiya ngizobe ngiyilutho phandle kwakhe.
Kusho ukuthi naye she plays part in the growth of business yakho.
Yeah, yena like
she's the brains angithi.
Yena uyangimotivate lapho nalapho yabo ukuthi ngiphushe business yami but mina kahle business yami iyenza ilesithwalo lesi ukuthi ibe namandla.
kusho ukuthi kahle kahle nami ngiyathakatha phakathi ngoba phela yimo mithaya ngithi ngimithaya leyo nto yakho awunanhliziyo Dumelo
hayi ukuthi ngiyathakatha neliwe ukuthi nami ngifuna like ukwenza happy yabo like ngifuna ukuyenza happy ngikwazi ukuspendela yabo because of nami nginokuzibuza ukuthi umfazi wami if angimenzeli uzowenzela ubani
so ngilongidla le mali kanti le mali ibuye izodla mina futhi idla abantwana bami
abakutshelanga ukuthi labantwana baya kuphi
abakutshelanga
awukaze uzibuze ukuthi okay baya kuphi labantwana
mina lewe ngibona ngakhona labantwana laba iba ngathi badliwa inyoka
hayi bese uthatha ukuthakathi lo Dumelo dlulele phela la hayi sekudlulele
hayi ukuthi ngiyazenza nami ukuthi ngokulethelana because of ngifuna isolution isithandwa sami and ngizimisele ngawe ngiyakuthanda neliwe yabo lento ngiyenzile before sithandana and bekunzima ngikutshele before sizothandana ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami
mara waqhubeka sonke lesikhathi sekuze kuyodlula 5 years manje silokhu sit together but awungitsheli
bengizobona ngenze kanjani phela wena uyingcondo yami ngihlezi ngicabanga wena enhlizweni yami without wena ngizoba yini
Dumelo bakhona bomageza bowungasebenza eShoprite or ePick n Pay or somewhere wakhetha lokho kuphela bekuyi-option leyo kuphela
ayindaba mina ngifuna easy come yabo mina ngokapati yabona ngicwe kanjani like ngifuna easy life yabo lento lezi ukuthi ini mageza
mina ngifuna ukusebenza nzima
yeah like mina iphupho lami kahle bengifuna ukwenza business management yabo manje abazali ekhaya kade banganamali ukuthi bangise varsity ngabona kahle ukuthi ngizinikele esithwaleni ukuthi mina ngizoba right empilweni
hayi easy come easy go kuyabonakala ngoba mina ngilongithi ngizokuthwela abantwana ngiziblame mina ngi-undergo i-depression ngenxa yakho uthulile all along and uhlala ungekho endlini uhlala kwi-business lelo lakho mara uthi ufuna ukujabulisa mina
angithi ngiyi-breadwinner sithandwa sami
breadwinner so leyo bread ngiyidle ngiyi-1
ngizowenza kanjani sithandwa sami fanele ube happy nawe fanele ngikuthengele ama-frontal ubukeke darling
frontal Dumelo imali is not everything Dumza yazi ngithanda kanjani awe
mara imali ithenga izinto ezicontain uthando
so wena uthando lwakho yimali
ithando lanamhlanje imali sithandwa sami
lwakho hayi lwanamhlanje
so Dumelo don't you think like you should give away imali for uthando lakhe
like kwamanje ngibonile like amanye izinto engizithathile like ama-decisions abo engiyenzile because of nami bengifuna kuba right empilweni yabo and no ngiyasola ngento engiyenzile ngoba nami yangikhathaza emoyeni
don't you guys maybe think about going to church which like nizama ukulungisa lento le since you came clean now you understand and achakuthanda umuntu wakho I think the only way is you guys to look for solution ukuthi okay nikhona ukuphuma kule nto le ngoba there's always a way out lento bakutshela ukuthi there's no way out it's ukuthi lo muntu akhona naye ayifide lento le yangithola there should be a way out there's abantu abanganisiza like abanganithandazela ukuthi nikhona ukulungisa lento le yangazi ukuthi abanganikiwe
ngicela basisize because ngiyamthanda umuntu wami
uyamthanda umuntu wakho what if lento le mase isukile mhlambe it's what you loved kuye ngoba lo muntu lo uze kuwe athwele awuyicabanga le
no angicabangi because most of the time angimceli nokumcela imali he just provides
so manje after you guys get usizo like out there and then abe broke will you still love him
yeah I think it's plan
so now you don't believe that love is money
not everything is about money guys we do need money but akuthi uzube desperate ngaleyo ndlela no guys
so Dumelo ucabanga with i-solution enginisuggestela yona ukuthi like nithola usizo
mina i-solution yami ngoba umuntu wami nami ngiyamthanda yabo angifuni ukuhlukana naye i-soulmate yami uneliwe yabo manje into engicabangayo ngicabanga ukuthi ngizinikele enkosini noma ngaba broke kangakanani as long mina ngizomfida ithando lwami yabo.
So uyayithatha the solution lokuthi you give away everything that you did.
Yeah, I give away. Kahle ngiyayeka ngifuna ukuyeka ngalento leyo kuthwala. That's why ngizelana. Ngizwe ukuthi yena maybe ungangiphi solution better. So today ngizwe the solution better. Fanele ngizinikele enkosini. Yabo, ngikhohle yonke lento yokuthwala ngoba imosha umndini.
Oh, okay. So ekhaya bangazi ukuthi uthwele.
Ekhaya kade bangazi ukuthi ngithwele.
Akunamuntu waziyo.
Akekho umuntu aziyo.
Okay, so unikiwe, she's the first to hear about this.
Yeah, uyo umuntu okuqala vele oyaziyo ukuthi vele ngithwele.
So Nikiwe, are you gonna assist ukuthi nikhona ukusuka kule nto le? Ngoba you are part of it now.
Please.
Whether you like it or not. Yabona as asho ukuthi beyangalali nawe, mulala nenye into.
Sizeni guys, please.
So I guess the best way is for you guys to seek in the Lord, yangithola.
So awusabi ukuthi ama-business azowa ngokuthi uyayeka lento yakho.
For wena sithandwa sami ngayenza everything as long uthando lami nawo ngeke liphele.
Nokuthi ube broke because sojwayele ukubamba iy'mali ezi-serious.
Ngizobona ukuthi ngiphanda kanjani. Ezungitshelile ukuthi ngiphande as a street vendor nami ngizobona ukuthi ngihlanganisa kanjani.
As long as ngeke silale singadlanga.
Awungawawa sithandwa sami ngizophanda for wena everything for you. Each and every trouble le ngayifacea for wena I'll go for it.
So right.
Ngoba nje ngiyamthanda, I'll try to be right but yo guys, cela iyeke lento yakhe please because angiboni ukuthi ngisazokhona ukuthi ngimithe futhi sengizosaba mos kumitha.
Kwamanje you guys just have to fix it. Ningazama ukwenza umntwana yabo. Try to get usizo and then you take it from there.
Sacela usizo because angizi-imagine ngilala nenyoka.
Tumelo uright angithi ngale solution esicabangile.
Yeah, a solution yona yiyo sharp. Nami ngicabanga ukuchange yabo like I want to be born again. Ngizinikeze enkosini. Ngikhohle lesithwalo lesi ngoba nami sangikhathaza esimoyeni yabo angisabi yimi sengiba inyoka. Sinini ngiyaphenduka ngiba inyoka. Sinini ngiyabuya ngiba sharp. Manje leyo mpilo ayikho sharp for me.
Uba nini inyoka Tumelo? Uba inyoka nini? Ngoba mina phela ngikazi ngakubona uba inyoka.
Angithi usho makalala nawe akusuyo lala nawe. Inyoka. So I think he's trying to refer to that part when you guys are having sex. Akusuye ile nyoka leya.
Sure.
Ba change sana. Yena is seducing you bese inyoka ilala nawe. But I guess that's the best solution to seek for help.
Yeah, I think church is the best option.
So ivala lapho guys angithi. It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M signing out and this is Save My Relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We out.